Hi everyone. In this Math Olympiad question, we're going to solve a nice algebraic equation. It says x and y are positive integers and x plus xy plus y equals 76. So we have to solve for x plus y. Now here the important part of the question is that it's written x and y are positive integers. So this is really important to remember while you do the question. Now let's start with our question. So it says x plus xy plus y equals 76. So I'm going to write that down. X plus xy plus y equals 76. Now what are we going to do? How should we solve this equation? Now what do you think? There are two variables, x and y. So how are we going to solve that? What should we do in this? We should opt for factorization. Yes, of course. We are going to do factorize this equation. Now, in this factorization, there are some rules. If you know the rules or the steps of factorization, you can easily factorize this equation. The first step is if you can split the term, like yes, we can split the term. Then the second step is if you can find the greatest common factor between them. The third is if you can find any identity. The fourth is if you can use product sum rule in that. Fifth goes with quadratic formula, or if you cannot, then go for completing the square, and so on. So there are some steps of factorization. The first step, yes, we can split the term. Now, can you see if we can take out any greatest common factor from this equation? Yes, we can take out the factor x common out there. So when you can take out x common, what is left with us? If I take out x common, here I'm left with 1 plus, and here I'm left with y. So we have x times 1 plus y. Alright. Now this side I only have plus y equals to 76. Now as you can see, this is in the form of a factor. 1 plus y is a factor, x is a factor. But what about this?